to look at how to enhance audio that might be a little bad and also normalize the audio levels. You can see your audio levels right here. And if I double click in this negative space right here, double left click, it's going to expand that. Now, audio is all visual. And what I mean by that is watch the decibel levels right here. They should be at -3, -6 to -3 right here. They should never be bouncing over 0 because that's compressed audio. So when I go like this, press the space bar.
Northampton Open Media.
You can see that it's hovering around like -21, -15 right here. When I have this audio, I'm going to right click, audio gain, and I'm going to normalize all peaks to, I like to like -2, -3. I'm going to put -2 here. So normalize all peaks, and that's going to bump up everything. And so now what I have is,
Northampton Open Media is crucial to the success.
and it's still a little low. What I could also do here, there's this little bar right here. If I bring this bar up ever so slightly to 3.6.
Northampton Open Media is crucial to the success.
So now it's getting better right there. So you could do that. You can also do that with music. Music, if there was music under this, you can drag this down. It's usually between like -16 to -26, somewhere in that is where your music is going to be. So if you have music under it. But let's go back to here. So I normalize the audio. You always want to normalize audio before you export. But say you can see that the mic, this camera didn't have the microphone on it. Well, what we can do is enhance this audio so it sounds better. If I double click on the clip, go to Essential Sound in the right sidebar, I can enhance this. So when I hit enhance, it takes a little while, but I already did it on this one. Let's listen to it before the enhancement. So this is what it sounds like.
Northampton Open Media is crucial to the success.
So now let's listen to it with enhance, and we're going to enhance it to about 9. So let's listen to that.
Northampton Open Media is crucial to the success.
Wow, so much better. So enhance can definitely help. It does take a while, so you might have to let it just kind of sit for a while, but definitely use that. Normalize audio. Make sure all of your audio is good before export.